Welcome to Adventure Awaits. Today, we're taking you to Rhodes, one of the most beautiful islands in Greece. It's a place where sunshine, history, clear blue water, and adventure all come together. Whether you want to explore ancient ruins, relax on the beach, or do something active, Rhodes has it all. In this video, I'll show you 8 amazing things you can do on the island, and trust me, you'll want to do them all. Let's start in Rhodes Old Town. This is one of the best preserved medieval towns in Europe, and walking through it feels like going back in time. The streets are narrow and made of stone, with tall walls and old houses all around you. You'll pass by cute shops, cozy cafes, and buildings that are hundreds of years old. One of the most famous parts is the Street of the Knights. It's where knights from different countries used to stay during the Crusades. Don't miss the Palace of the Grand Master, which looks like a huge castle. Inside, there are beautiful rooms, mosaics, and stories from centuries ago. It's a must-see. Now let's talk about something more relaxing, the sea. One of the best ways to experience Rhodes is from the water. Take a boat tour around the island and you'll discover hidden beaches, caves, and quiet bays. These are places you can't reach by car. You can stop for a swim or go snorkeling in the crystal clear water. The sea is warm and full of colorful fish and rocks below the surface. Whether you're on a small sailboat or a catamaran with music and drinks, it's the perfect way to enjoy the Aegean Sea. Next, head south along the coast to the village of Lindos. This place looks like a postcard. White houses are stacked on a hill, and little streets wind between them. There are shops, cafes, and even donkeys that help people get to the top. At the very top of the hill is the Acropolis of Lindos, an ancient temple with amazing views of the sea. The climb is a bit steep, but when you get to the top, it's all worth it. You'll see the ruins, the bay, and the deep blue water all around you. It's one of the most beautiful spots on the island. For a quiet, peaceful place with great views, drive out to Monolithos Castle. It's on the west side of Rhodes, far from the busy towns. The castle is in ruins, but that only adds to its charm. It sits on top of a huge rock high above the sea. You can walk around the old stone walls and take in the view, especially at sunset. It's calm, quiet, and truly magical. A perfect spot for taking photos or just enjoying the moment. After all that exploring, it's time to slow down. One of the best beaches on the island is Tsambika Beach. It has soft, golden sand and clear, shallow water that's great for swimming. There are beach bars, sunbeds, and plenty of space to stretch out and relax. Whether you want to read a book, take a nap in the sun, or swim for hours, this beach is a great place to unwind and recharge. But Rhodes isn't just for relaxing, it's also for adventure. At the southern tip of the island, there's a place called Prasonisi, and it's like nowhere else. This is where two seas meet, the rough Aegean Sea and the calm Mediterranean. A thin strip of sand separates them. It's a top spot for windsurfing and kitesurfing because the winds are strong and steady. Even if you don't surf, watching the surfers fly across the water is exciting. The scenery is wild and open. It feels like you're at the edge of the world. If you want to visit another island for a day, take a short ferry ride to Symi. This island is smaller than Rhodes but incredibly beautiful. The harbor is full of colorful houses, boats, and seafood restaurants. The pace is slower, and the streets are perfect for walking and exploring. You can swim in hidden coves, try fresh local food, and enjoy a quiet, relaxing day. It's a great little escape. And if you love nature, don't miss the chance to go hiking in the mountains. Rhodes isn't just beaches, it also has beautiful forests and hills. You can hike around Prophytus Ilias, a peaceful area full of pine trees and fresh air. Or head to the hills near Imbonas, a village known for its wine. Along the way, you'll see amazing views of the island and the sea. It's a different side of Rhodes, quiet, green, and full of natural beauty. So there you have it, 8 incredible things to do in Rhodes. From ancient towns to sunny beaches, from windsurfing adventures to peaceful hikes, this island has something for everyone. If you're planning a trip to Greece, don't skip Rhodes, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and as always, adventure awaits.